Hi, today we talk about how to create account on Pinterest. So for creating account on Pinterest, first you need to open Pinterest app on your mobile phone. Then this type of page will appear. Here first you need to click on sign up button. Then for creating account, what you need to do, enter email address. Once you enter your email address, then you have this next button, click on it. Once you click on next button, then wait for at least 2 to 3 seconds. Then this type of page will appear. Here you need to create a strong password for your account. Then click on next button. Then on this page, what you need to do, edit your date of birth and your username. Once you're done with this, then here at the front of username, you have update button, tap on it. Then this type of page will pop up. Here you have this next button, tap on it. Then you are here on this page. Here you need to choose your gender. Once you choose gender, then click on next. Then the last thing is that choose that things in which you are interested, to whom you want to meet on your home feed. Once you done this, then your account is created. So this is how you can create account on Pinterest. Thanks for watching.